As a professional manufacturer of zinc oxide production line equipment, we present to you the entire production process from raw materials to finished products. Our intelligent raw material pretreatment system ensures precise crushing, screening, and batching. The high-efficiency energy-saving calcination system achieves an annual processing capacity of 60,000 tons upon commissioning. Equipped with integrated pulse jet dust collectors and exhaust gas treatment systems, dust emission concentration is maintained below 10 mg/m, far exceeding environmental standards. All equipment provided by ZK passed one-time acceptance, with all indicators meeting customer requirements and receiving high satisfaction. This project processes a large amount of zinc waste annually. Turn waste to value. We not only provide equipment, we offer end-to-end services from design and installation to commissioning, helping customers achieve efficient production.